Although the use of rooftop solar on homes and small businesses in Wyoming is relatively low, there's been an uptick in interest due to rising electric bills and federal incentives to invest in solar arrays and other small scale power generation. And this month, Wyoming's highest court handed those folks a legal victory against efforts to slash what's known as net metering, which for many is what makes investing in rooftop solar affordable in the first place. Hi, I'm Dustin Blyzeffer, climate and energy reporter at Wyofile, and here's what's going on. So what is net metering? When a home with rooftop solar generates more electricity than it uses in a month, it pumps that excess electricity back into the system for others to use. The utility, in turn, gives that customer a credit for the power. That's net metering, and the credit exchange is made at the utility's retail rate. Now, if there are leftover monthly credits at the end of the year, the utility pays only the wholesale rate, which is much lower. That way, home solar customers are discouraged from trying to game the system. But utilities really don't like net metering. After all, they're required to be able to provide 100% of their customer demand, whether some of those customers utilize rooftop solar or not. And they claim that net metering chips away at the revenue model. Last year, one Wyoming electric utility, High Plains Power, convinced state regulators to allow for compensating rooftop solar customers at the wholesale rate rather than the retail rate each month, and that drastically reduced net metering payments. In fact, solar advocates in Wyoming said it was a clear violation of the state's long-standing net metering law, and they brought the issue to the Wyoming Supreme Court. Last week, the court ruled in their favor, which is a win for those with rooftop solar or those considering investing in it. But that's likely not the end of the story. Utilities continue to push the Wyoming Legislature into changing the net metering law in their favor. And although past attempts have failed, we're likely to see the effort continue. To learn more, check out the full story at wyofile.com, and don't forget to let us know what you think in the comments.